Hi, I'm Kailey Fink and I am the Clevertouch Product Specialist for Tierney. Today I have our brand new Impact series to show you and all of the features that are included in one product with multiple solutions. One great thing about Clevertouch is that we provide a very simple and user-friendly user interface. From each side of the panel, I can access our main menu with these simple 8 icons. I also can plug in any different type of device cross-platform using HDMI and USB Touch or USB-C. I also have access to my volume and my brightness. Starting at the top, we have our whiteboard app. With 20 points of touch, I can have up to 4 different users interacting with the board at one time. I also have palm rejection, so erasing makes it very easy to move things around. Also with gesture control, I can move anything on my panel, bring it back, and then also zoom in and zoom out. Our new writing recognition tool makes it easy to turn any of your writing into text. You can then manipulate, use it as a text box, and move it around freely. Also, with our math recognition tool, you can write out any equation with a question mark and have the panel answer the question for you. Over the years, we have been able to refine our user experience by taking all of our end user feedback and then applying it to our panel. So it's really a panel for teachers, created by teachers. Also within Whiteboard, I have several different ways that I can save, including saving to the panel, cloud storage, or exporting as a PDF or image. Using the floating toolbar, I can navigate between any of my windows, active windows, or back home. In file management, I can easily plug in a USB drive, use storage on the panel, or upload my Google Drive. From a USB drive, I can then open any type of file, including PDFs, PowerPoint, JPEG, Once opening any type of file like a PDF, I can then scroll through using touch interaction and manipulate and go through each page. I also can use my on-screen annotation tools to bring up my pens or a highlighter, and then save any of my annotations to the panel through QR code reader or upload to my cloud drive. These tools are accessible on any device that you plug into the panel or on the Android user interface itself. Also included with our Android user interface, you have a built-in browser and our Clever Store. Our Clever Store is exclusive to Clevertouch. We work with many different third-party companies who develop different educational-based apps, and we make them available free to our customers. From our Clever Store, you can open any app, download for free, and then you also get the full version with no ads, no in-app purchases, and they're all vetted for education. So you know that your teachers have safe content that they can use immediately in the classroom. We also provide active windows, so I can easily go back and forth between any of my open files or presentations. And I also can use the split screen feature to open up 2 different windows at one time, allowing me the ability as a teacher or a presenter to be able to navigate between a browser and write on my whiteboard at the same time. With Clevertouch, you get an all-inclusive software suite, including our Clevershare or screen sharing program. This can be downloaded on any type of device, including Chromebooks, iPads, Android tablets, PC, or Macs. Once you get your app app downloaded and you put in the code and you're connected on the same Wi-Fi or subnet, you will be able to screencast up to the panel. As a presenter, I can then choose any of the 50 devices connected at one time to showcase up to 4 at one time on the panel. We also offer security features like our lock screen, where I can set a PIN code to my user profile to be able to lock that down so that I can share my screen across users. In our apps, you have preloaded apps, including our Clevertouch MDM, which comes included free for 5 years with the purchase of your panel, as well as our Clever Message. Clever Message is our digital signage solution that pairs with Sedeo Live. This is a free tool for you to use your panel as a digital signage tool anywhere in your district or location. We offer hundreds of different templates that you can easily customize to your needs. And again, this comes all free and included with your purchase of Clevertouch. With our MDM, all you have to do is put in a PIN code, connect it to your account online, and you can manage any of your screens directly from the website. With your purchase of Clevertouch, you get an all-inclusive software suite, including content creation-based software. If I switch over here to my HDMI, I can get access to my computer and interact with touch all at one time. There it goes. Here we have Snowflake Online. This is one of our software programs that comes included with the purchase of Clevertouch. You get 5 licenses with the purchase of 1 panel, making it easily accessible for you to share with any of your teachers, coaches, or tech liaison in your district. Once you log in, you can get access to the NuiTech Snowflake community. NuiTech does a great job of hiring certified teachers to create content based on curriculum that is global as well as statewide across the curriculum. Using these content creation templates, you can pull up any type of content that you may need for your classroom for your students to interact with. Any of these templates I can pull up, read some information about them, and immediately start using that content and lesson in my classroom. Snowflake also makes it really easy to go into my lesson where I can edit any of the content, delete, add, or change backgrounds, fonts, and things like that. This makes it fully customizable for me and my students in the classroom. Once I've played a certain lesson type, it adds it to my lesson activity so I have access to it where I can edit that content and use it later. I also have the ability to create from any of the templates that NuiTech offers very easily, making quick lessons easy to make at home or in my classroom. I also can manage my students from manage students in my class. I can add students in and send them content as well, making that two-way interaction and collaboration with my students possible. Another software program that comes included with Clevertouch is Links. This is our own developed software by Clevertouch that we are continuing to develop and add new features to. One big feature about Links is that you can open any type of file, including IWB, notebook, PDF, PowerPoint, Docs, or other Links templates. Once inside Links, I have access to all different types of tools, writing, text, multiple pages, preloaded content that I can then select, move around, and manipulate as needed on the panel. Preloaded content where I can add in my own files as well, and then also a built-in website. I can capture anything from the website easily in one window. and be able to pull that over into my lesson plan and continue to teach about it. I also have a media search that is included where I can search for images, YouTube files, GIFs, clip art, or brand new we added is Khan Academy. Just by simply searching for a topic, I can pull in any type of content into my lesson. This makes it really quick and easy for teachers to create content and make it interactive in the classroom. Again, my name is Kailey Fink and I'm the Clevertouch Product Specialist. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you would like further information about Clevertouch, please reach out to your Tierney account executive today. Thank you.